Home HVAC Services Group is a trusted HVAC company serving Phoenixville, PA, and nearby communities with reliable heating, cooling, and indoor air quality solutions. From troubleshooting uneven temperatures to improving system efficiency, we deliver HVAC services designed to fit your home's needs and your budget. Call our HVAC company if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance? We recommend scheduling professional HVAC maintenance twice a year, once in the spring for your cooling system and once in the fall for your heating system. Regular maintenance helps improve efficiency, reduce repair costs, and extend the lifespan of your equipment. Why choose Home HVAC Services Group? Home HVAC Services Group is committed to providing reliable service, quality workmanship, honest recommendations, and exceptional customer care. Our goal is to keep your home comfortable year-round with dependable HVAC solutions tailored to your needs. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC company has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.